That's a bad sign. What's up, guys? It's been a hot minute since I've made a car video for you guys. Today I picked up a compression tester from AutoZone, and we're gonna check the compression on both of the cars. What cars are we doing this on? Well, let's show you. We have a 1992 Mazda Miata MX-5 with 303,186 miles, something like that. Then we also have a 2004 Toyota Corolla with 191,600 approximate miles on it. And I'm probably gonna have to move this back because I really don't want to stand in that while I'm doing a compression test. So I had to go through the abyss known as my trunk to find my 5/8 socket to pull the spark plug. In the process, found a homie. What's that, homie? Are the bugs bad, dude? I think he says yes. So you never believe what just happened. I lost my 10mm socket. I guess we're gonna have to use a deep socket because I'm not gonna spend the next 4 hours looking for a 10mm because I don't know, dude. It's like the God sacrifice one every 5 minutes. So yesterday I was doing the compression test on the Corolla and my phone battery died. And that's what I get for starting this at 27%. So we kind of don't have any Corolla footage. So we're doing this on the Miata. That's not a good sign. The spark plug is covered in oil. $135? $140? That's $140. Holy shit. If anybody's curious as to why I do it like this, instead of just throwing the spark plug in there, throwing a ratchet on and just tightening it up. When I was younger, I did the spark plugs on my Miata, I don't know, 12, 13 years ago. And let the engine cool down. I did it while the engine was hot. And from there, I had a spark plug shooting out the engine every 20 miles. And that wasn't my idea of fun. And I never want to deal with that ever again. So I'm just extra cautious when I put spark plugs on an aluminum engine. Honestly, I'll say this Miata's in better shape than I thought. Even with that oil leak inside, it's got a pretty decent compression. I can't get this damn third spark plug out. Dude, it feels like somebody got fucking Loctite on this thing. There we go. What the fuck? What's wrong with you, brother? $130. So you might be wondering what I'm doing when I take my sweet ass time here. I just keep turning the spark plug like I'm loosening it, even though it's already out. And eventually, you'll feel it drop. That's when it lines up with the threads. And you just hand tighten it. So there's no resistance, you're probably not cross-threading it. And once you get it as tight as you can by hand, you just give it a little half turn, not even. And the ratchet. We got a special guest star here. What's up, Zoe? Trying to be a special guest star? Hopefully this coil isn't a demon as well, because that would piss me off. Oh, nope. Ease. Relative ease. Covered in oil. This is terrible. Oh, that's a bad sign. Oh my god, there's a fucking ocean in there, bro. I expect a catastrophic reading on the cylinder. 180. This engine isn't in the greatest shape. But she got 303,000 miles. It'd be dumb of me to even expect this to be anywhere near pristine. Now that I've put it all back together, I just gotta make sure the hood is secure, because yeah, Momo's seen better days and I don't trust the hood. Hoping I don't have any misfires after pulling those spark plugs and coming across what I did. Car's at operating temperature. I'm not going to feel comfortable until I put it into wide open throttle and didn't misfire. So I'm about to get on the highway, or the highway. No misfire. I'm going to go get some drinks for the house for when I stream tonight. I'll use this moment to shamelessly self-plug. If you watch Twitch, you like seeing gaming content, talking about literally whatever, I might be your streamer. That guy doing a fucking wheelie behind me? What the Thank you. Destroyed my finger. Hopefully some of you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to comment on it. Definitely like the shit. Share it with your friends, especially if you have any friends who might be into Miatas, because this is a long project. Long project we got ahead of us. So any support, greatly appreciated. Again, I do all sorts of things. I stream on Twitch, I make music, work on my car, talk about politics and religion, even though that's such a touchy topic. But you know what? Sometimes somebody's got to talk about it, and I don't mind being that person. But that being said, oh shit. Being said, thanks for watching, and you all take care of yourselves. I'm sure I'll see you all soon.